Hello friends, welcome back to our another video. This is Miss Mushfeka and today we are gonna focus on the sound cool, cool, and this cool sound made with the letter C and L. Can you say cool? Let's practice. Play, play, clock, clock, clean, clean, close, close, clear, clear, closet, closet, clap, clap, cloud, cloud, clown, clown, click, click, club, club, clue, clue, class, class, climb, climb, click, click, claw, claw. Yes, they all start with the sound ko, ko. Can you make a video and send it to me like that? And if you really like our video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.